You asked, how to divide 6024 by 6 using the long division method. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 6 equals 0. 0 times 6 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 6 equals 0. 0 times 6 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Bring down 4, making 24. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 4 times 6 equals 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1004.